Almost.
Some more parts and pieces out here.
Yeah, I'm getting there. Well, it's, you know, you use expensive hardware to put it together originally, like I was saying, but you want all the new shit. When you put it back together for final, you want to look brand spanking new, you know, and so just tracing down all the hardware and everything we need. And see, this sucks because I totally forgot to tell him to tape this off. And very important. See, something's got in there.
Yeah.
This should move very freely back and forth.
Now, is that something that you can also take a tap to of some way, or no, because you don't want it to be threaded?
I have like a little sander that I got to run through there.
Ah, yes.
You know?
Sander.
Yeah. Damn it. If I can find it, I gotta go find it. That sucks. Yeah. Powder coating's a pain in the ass. So happy that's getting all done, the wiring. Oh my God. It's great.
It's cool. Now, what has been wired? You said that the 12 volt has been wired, so now what
that
is
system's all in place. The battery's in place, the box in the back, you saw it?
Yeah.
It's mounted, it's all the wires are in. That's all your head right there. That group of wires, that's all your headlight, running lights, horn, fans, electric fans, anything else you need controlled by a 12 volt system. Oh, what is it? It's like right here. Something really tiny.
So now, basically, what is happening now is running and plugging in what needs to be with the 12 volt, and then going to move on to the larger.
No, we'll do it all at once. He's just getting it all in place, so when we have this in here, it starts kind of going together, and then, you know, once we put the fenders on and the headlights in, you start routing all that stuff, and nice and neat and hidden, and, you know. I know. Oh, almost. Almost. Oh my God.
No. Okay, terrifying.
Yeah, right? Because this will do the same. This will like seize up in there. I've had them. And you can knock them out. Look at that, perfect. Next. I'll put some Zwiener slider in there too, and I'll go, woohoo! Yeah, anybody knows anti-seize. You get it one place, all of a sudden it's all over your face. And you're talking all regular to people and you got it all over your face. They're all, what? So funny. Okay, now I gotta be super careful here because I've gotten, like I told you, that one caught in here.
Yeah.
Literally.
You have to cut it out.
Oh my God, took me like 2 days.
So are you going to?
See how it's caught? Look at that, it's like almost welding in there because of all the powder coating. So I'm gonna have to ream it out with my handy dandy reamer tool, which is scary because look at that, somebody, oh my God, that's what you call like total hokey pokey Mickey Mouse. Instead of getting the right drill, they ground down to like a 3/8.
Wow.
Or a 1/2 inch. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Just get one little tiny thing in there. It'll fuck up your whole day. I mean, literally. Oh, that one's getting good.
I get so nervous when
Oh
I
man,
can't get it myself.
seriously. All right, let's ream this one out so we can get this one in here. Because if I get all this stuff reamed out, it should go together pretty fast. It's just getting it all ready. Fuck, man. Oh. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We got the 12-volt system already ran to everywhere it needs to go in the car. So that'll power all your, your lights, gauges, stuff like that, radio. That's what that powers up. So that's all ran. Now start to run all the electrical crap, which is already
Electrical
started.
primarily for the like the motors and like the actual running of the car.
Yeah. Yep.
Larger cables.
Larger cables, larger batteries. Ken's been charging the batteries, so they're taking a charge over there on the shelf, so that's good. So far so good. Everything's looking good. Will be interesting when this is sitting here with the motors, tranny, all the suspension, wheels, tires. It's gonna look pretty bitchin'.
Yeah.